We have active weather right now. I'm meteorologist Summer Sky. I'll show you radar in a moment. First, current conditions. New York City is currently overcast and 63 degrees. Chicago is 60 degrees. And Los Angeles is overcast and 61 degrees. Looking ahead, some severe weather is expected in the United States. Strong to severe thunderstorms are likely across the Deep South and extending northward to the Central Appalachians today. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from near New Orleans to western New York, with damaging winds and large hail as the main threats. Heavy rainfall may also lead to flash flooding in parts of Pennsylvania and New York, with some areas potentially receiving 1 to 3 inches of rain. Looking closer at hazardous weather across the nation today, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are expected, particularly in the Ohio Valley and Appalachians. There is a risk of damaging winds and large hail, and a brief tornado could occur, especially near the convective vortex. This severe weather risk may continue into the South Atlantic Seaboard tonight, but the details remain uncertain. Looking at threats tomorrow, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms in the Texas Trans-Pecos, with large hail being the primary concern. Isolated severe thunderstorms are also possible along parts of the East Coast, from southeast New Mexico to South Louisiana. And threats the next day. A marginal risk of severe thunderstorms is expected in parts of the Northwest and Intermountain West, as well as the Corn Belt and southern Texas. Isolated severe thunderstorms could develop, but confidence in the forecast is low. Now, the extended forecast. On Monday, New York City should be overcast with a high of 66 degrees, while Atlanta is expected to see moderate rain with a high of 83 degrees. Looking ahead a few days to Wednesday, Denver will be 91 degrees and sunny, while San Francisco will be 57 degrees and overcast. Stay with us for daily weather updates on YouTube, Facebook, and more to come.